Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and today we're going to take y'all down a drive, Surfside Beach. Let's go, check it out. So we're coming down Surfside Drive, and we just passed a little pizza place right across from the Wooden Spoon and the Sundown. The name of the little pizza place is called Surfside Beach Pizza and Italian Restaurant. It was absolutely delicious. So if you don't feel like going out to eat, you want to pick up something fast and delicious and something for everyone. They have salads, pizzas, subs, pasta. It is just delicious. That's Surfside Beach Pizza and Italian Restaurant. We also wanted to inform you about the parking meters. There are parking meters where you can park throughout the beach in Surfside and Myrtle Beach. The best thing to do is to download this app while you're home, so then you won't be frustrated trying to park in the hot heat. storm, so we may have to cut this video short. But we just wanted to show you what's waiting on you for the summertime. Hope to see you soon. If you like this video, make sure you click that subscribe button, ring that bell notification so you too can keep beaching. Always remember, those storms will catch you quick in South Carolina. It sure is. And look at that wind. No golf carts on the beach in Garden City. Sign said.
You might not be good. All the rain.
The road. Trying to avoid.
Go around it. We'll over.
Right. We're gonna try to make it to the pier for y'all. Barely see the lights.
Go on or they turn.
I'll turn. All right. Whoop, whoop, whoop. We made it. All right, there's the pier right there.
Stormy and Garden City.
Sure is. Let's hope the tide ain't done. Kind of feel like a storm chaser right now. Now just remember, over here in Garden City, it does like to flood a lot. If you ever come down here,
In the
road
rain.
subject to flooding, it says. And high tides do be by. And they always have the king tides that come in. All right.
Is that good?
You want to go all the way up to the end? Because it
Yeah.
looks like we're coming out of it. That is it. Well, see there? I told you. They come up fast and go away quick. So if it does start raining on your vacation, don't get upset. It's only for a little while. So you can keep beaching.